Hello and welcome back to Vicky's Crafts. I do have three more hauls from different stores. The first one is my Pipsticker monthly kit came in, so I wanted to show you that really quick. And I do save these holographic envelopes so that I could put Happy Meal in it. And as always, they do put the booklet that what you're gonna get for next month. And they do have this postcard, which is so cute. It has flowers on them. I can't wait for spring. So let me get a cardboard or piece of paper so that I could show you the stickers. This one is called Mystical Mermaids. So that is cute. I'm loving that. The next one is Bloomin' Buds. I'm loving that one too. So cute. Next one is Downward Frog doing exercise. And that is cute. And then this one I fell in love with. The Moral, the Merrier. The Moral, the Merrier. So that is cute. It's little mushrooms with eyeglasses and arms and legs. And then this one is called Positive Vibes. Balloon Shakralaka. And then this one is called Scenic Sunnies. And it's all about sunglasses. Wish I was there. Then the last one is Find Your Groove, which is so cute. And it has the peace sign and the peace sign. This is so 70s, where everything was peace. The next thing I did buy was the washi tape shop. I did do 2 orders because I did one and then I paid for it and then I saw more tape, so then I said let me do another one. And this is stickers in here, which is nice. So that's kind of nice. So the first one is called, it has this little icon or sticker. Let me see if I could peel it out without breaking it. So it has a whole bunch of girls, which I love. I'm not going to open it up because then it'll be hard to put back. And they do give you a nice amount of these stickers. So that's why I ordered from there. The next one has this icon on it. And that's what's in here. And this little paper that they wrap it in is so cute. It has little flowers in it. So I want to see if I could keep one of them. Maybe not. So this one has like cakes and barbecue and some girls. So that's that one, and they do give you a lot also. And then the next two was little ones, and this is like that. So this one is girls with flowers. And again, they give you a lot. And then this one is the same with the girl here. With another girl. So I think I bought two of the same. So this one is like paper, and this one is more like clear. So that is all from the Washi tape shop right there. And they had a sale. That's why I bought it. And next is Hobby Lobby. I went today and I picked up some things on sale from the Easter collection, and some were not. So this was not on sale. So I picked up these little zipper bags with handles. They're 20 pieces in here, and that is to put Happy Mail. And as you can see, it has that little thing to close, which is nice. So it's 20 of them, and it's polka dotted see-through, as you can see. That's that. That was from Hobby Lobby, not on sale. And then I thought this was not on sale, but it was, and it's the Paper Studio $4.99, and I got it for $2.99. So that's kind of nice. If I knew that, I would have bought another one. So that's cute. I love the color in mint. Then I picked up these flowers. They're different from the other ones that I picked up. I picked up 5 of them. And these are way different from the ones that I picked up last time. They're more lighter in color. And they're much smaller, which I like. So I'm gonna put 3 for my giveaway, my 1,000 giveaway when I reach 1,000. And so 2 I'm gonna keep. And then I picked up these flowers. 5, and it's the mini flowers, beautiful colors. So again, I'm putting 3 for my giveaway, and 2 I'm gonna keep. Again, I picked up these again. I did pick up these again. I only picked up 3. And it's these wood flowers. And these were on sale also. and I'm liking the colors. And they're smaller than the other one I picked up, I believe. So, and 2 are for me, 1 is for a giveaway. Then I picked up this little mini bunny that I could use in crafting. I only picked up 2 because I thought they were cute. So, something like that. Then I picked up these butterflies. And they are so pretty. They are dimensional. So I picked up 3 of them. 1 is to give away. And 2 is for me. 1 for me and 1 for Happy Meal. Then I picked up this sequins again, because I know I used almost all of them. So I picked up 4 of them. So 2 are for giveaway and 2 are for me. Then I picked up these little chicks. I could put them in one of my little ephemeras, which I thought they were so cute that you could put in your ephemeras. So I picked up 2. 1 is to give away and 1 is to keep. Then I picked up these ladybugs again. 2 for me to keep and 3 for my giveaway. So they are so cute. I was looking for the bees, but they didn't have it, because the bees are very hard to find, but they didn't have the bees. And that is it for, oh yeah, that's it for my haul from my washi tape and my monthly kit and from Hobby Lobby. Thank you for watching, and as always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe so that you won't miss out in future videos like this. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.